So recently, a bunch of old men called this old man and said, hey, you want to go salmon fishing up on the Great Lakes? I said, yes, I do. So I went to New York State, in the middle of nowhere, and this salmon catching process up there is not throwing a rod out. I mean, it's finding the speed of the water on top, finding the current of the water on the bottom, finding a specific temperature, finding
You loved
these
it,
fish.
didn't you?
It's a massive,
Yes.
I mean, you better have a good guide. It's a massive undertaking. So we got some great guides. So we went out and we caught some salmon. And let me tell you what, when you catch one of these bad boys, 2 or 3 of them's all you want. They wear you out. Copper line and a fish on.
45-pound copper. We're running it 400 feet back. It's getting us about 90 feet deep. We've got a 30-foot fluorocarbon leader and a flasher fly combo.
So the whole idea is without any accoutrement, you can get it down there with the wire.
Yes, the wire takes it down. You don't get a whole lot of fight because it weighs the fish down, but
Yeah, I've noticed that.
we need to subdue them first. Oh!
What do we have on, Tim?
This is bluegill.
Bluegill.
Another bluegill. Oh, dude, these things will burn me up. Oh man, that's a nice fish.
What's your favorite way to eat salmon?
Smoked by far.
You know what? I'm kind of right there with you. We're going to do a post recipe, but give us your secret for what's your brine?
Kosher salt, water, maple syrup, a little bit of brown sugar that you can use as a glaze and continue to baste it as it smokes.
How
That's the key.
long, what temperature?
I do pretty low, probably looking at 220 until it's done, which is kind of hard to say, but
Just got to check it.
just got to check it.
And what wood?
I'm a big fan of apple, but apple wood, cherry wood with a fish would be great. But mesquite never hurt anybody either.
No, never killed anybody.